As kids, I don't think we ever thought we would end up in the middle of America, in Wyoming, surrounded by bison.
The American dream is a white picket fence. I think it's no fences and a ton of buffalo.
This prairie gets under your skin. The bison, the animal itself, they're easy to fall in love with and want to be around, be a part of. They are the largest North American land animal. They are the national mammal for the United States. Came very close to becoming extinct. Back in the late 1880s, there was somewhere in the neighborhood of 1,000. It's a tremendous comeback story, and humans have played a huge role in that. To now, there's in the neighborhood of 400,000. It's not super tricky cooking bison. You just have to be cognizant of the fact that it's leaner. And when you're cooking leaner meats, you just want to make sure you don't overcook them. So I always recommend to people go medium rare or less. And when you're cooking roasts and whatnot, there's a saying that goes along with bison that says low and slow. But just go for the internal temperatures of the meat on a roast to the rare side and let it sit, stand for 10 minutes before you cut into it. It's gonna be awesome. And grilling the steaks, you shoot for medium rare, and it's like, you hit that medium rare or a little less, and it's wonderful.
We just got back from going out this morning to go take some pictures of some more bison. We left at 5 a.m., now roughly 7-ish. We're gonna cook some breakfast. We have some bison strip steak. So we got this grill nice and hot right now. This thing took no time. For whatever reason, that was fast.
Do you consider yourself an egghead?
At this point, I'd say so. At this point, I think I'm an egghead. We transported this thing, 600 miles? I think it's safe to say I'm way too obsessed with Big Green Egg. Well, right away, Mr. President. Seven in the morning, slightly raining. We're about to eat bison steak with eggs. This is proper Wyoming. Just taking some quick pics because we are about to grill a bison steak out here on the prairie with the rest of the bison. Perfect send-off to our trip. We've been hanging out here with these guys for the last 2 days. Now we're gonna have some nice bison steaks and enjoy their view with them. Look at this. Can you barbecue in a more beautiful place? This is like the dream. Any direction you turn, you can't see a single building structure. We're gonna top these guys off, dumping them on the coals, giving them a little bit more of a sear. Cheers to the buffalo.
The openness of the prairie is alluring. The grassland, the sagebrush, the colors, the fact that you can see for miles and miles and miles in pretty much any direction, it captivates you. It's very easy to fall in love with.